Hi guys, Mike here from Clearview in Melbourne on this wet and cold, miserable December day. But I'm here with Max from Go RV, and Max has brought in his MUX and we're going to do some fitting of our new Clearview Powerfold mirrors, the latest addition to our stable of mirrors, I guess you call it. Just simply press the button and in they go.
Looking forward to it.
Cool, let's get on with it, eh?
All right.
Now, on these, you've got a metal plate here, which you can use to sit your door panel on, so that you don't overstress your cables. Simply unplug wiring connectors, and then all we've got to do is take the mirror off. This is our new Clearview Powerfold mirror, as you can see, made in Australia. This is a little bit different to what you would normally see on our manual fold. All this section here is different, it's much bigger. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to install this on now, right? Now you're going to pass your wires through the door here first before you do anything, and then sit the mirror in place on the door. I like to start the screws by hand first, and that way you don't cross thread them when you're putting them in. When you get to this point here, I like to just take them up slightly, right, and then I go back around and I check the sealing rubber on the other side of the door to make sure that you've got a nice seal on it. If it's all good, nip them up. Now you'll notice that we've got a little bit of extra wiring here, and what we do with this is the brain that makes all our Powerfold operate. We've got a bit of double-sided tape on this. You need to find a low spot in the door panel somewhere, and then plug this back in. Right, now before you go buttoning everything else up, it's a real good idea if you check your Powerfold and make sure it's going to work properly. So what should happen here, if I've got all this right, when I plug this in and I turn the ignition on, this mirror should automatically go out to the driving position. Once you've installed the new Clearview Powerfold mirrors, it's important that they are cycled at least 3 times. So I know we've already done it a couple here, but just for the sake of the exercise, turn your ignition on and hit your buttons 3 times. What that does, it allows the motor inside to find its locating position, and it stores it in the memory inside that little brain box that you saw down there.